to this channel. This is Ashwini. Hope you all are doing great. So in this video I will tell you the latest update regarding Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies SIMS. And the latest update is that they have released their forms for February 2025 batch. So it's a great and exciting news for all of you. So I will talk to you about that. What is the latest eligibility criteria for SIMS? So the eligibility criteria for SIMS is that you should have at least completed your class 12 from a recognized board. It means NIM students are not allowed. And if you have completed 12th with PCM of aggregate more than 60%, then you are eligible, and you should have at least 50% in English, either in class 12 or either in class 10. And talking about SIMS, the thing is that you should have physics plus maths percentage should be 60%. It means when you combine both the subjects, then you should have 60%. And individually, you should also have 50% in each subjects. And NIOS students are not eligible, as I earlier told you. And if you have completed BSc with physics, chemistry, maths or electronic with physics, then you should have 55% in final year and 60% overall. And if you have completed BE or BTech, then you should have 50% also. And talking about the medical criteria, the basic medical criteria is that you should have 6/6 eyesight, no color blindness, and no speech deformity should be there.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं राइट, ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड। आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो। Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
And the second thing is that the age criteria. So for the age criteria is that you should have age between 17 to 25 years. And for 12, if you have completed 12, then your age should be between 17 to 20 years. If you have completed BSc, then age should be less than 22 years. And if you have completed BE or BTech, then your age should be less than 25 years. So this is all about the eligibility criteria. The next thing is that what is the waiting period stipend. So the waiting period of Samudra is almost 6 to 12 months, I can say. And the stipend is almost $375. The form fees is 1100 rupees. And the whole process for Samudra is that first you fill the Samudra form, then online examination, then the interview. So the main subject that you are going that they will ask is that physics, chemistry, maths, English and aptitude. In interview they are going to test your personality, they are going to test your English communication. So be ready for that also. And if I talk about waiting period, as I earlier told you, it is almost 8 to 12 months. So the number of students that they are going to take in Fab batch is 40 students. And at last you should have imucet rank, that imucet that you have given in June or July. It will be valid for August batch and for Feb batch also. So this is all about Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. One more thing is that ESM recruits cadets from Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. So SIMS is the college where you are going to pursue your DNS, where ESM will give you the sponsorship. And in between, in SIM 1 or SIM 2, in between, many companies in between also come to take you from there. They give a sponsorship letter of that companies also. So if there is something like that, college will inform you regarding that during your semester 1 or semester 2. So this is all about SIMS. And if you have any doubt, then you can comment down. Thank you so much for watching.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for imucet and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.